Iawn, fi jyst gwneud animeiddiwch yn bawr oherwydd it's way too easy and I overcomplicated it. So, take 4. Task 3, animeiddiwch y Dwylo. Fi'n defnyddio the draw tool and several other tools. Fi'n mynd dros y fe yn gyflym. And yeah, so, hwn bydd ni'n creu heddi. Really simple. I don't know why it took me 7 minutes. Ond, mynd draw fan hyn. Nah, I don't know what I just did. What did I do? Oops. Okay, mynd draw fan hyn. Simply clone frame, delay a Dwylo, bam, bam, right? Wedyn mynd ar we, ffeindio y llun ti'n hoffi, fel hon. There's different styles of Dwylo. There's like the more animeiddiad ones, the one the more random. Don't do that, please. Don't do that one either. Nhw'n mwy neu lai yn dilyn the same kind of format. Ooh, I like that one. Ond, os ni'n mynd nôl I... Oh, look at this. Sorry, I'm being carried away. Ond, well, fi wedi gwneud format hon, which is disgustingly ugly. Ond, I'll fix it in a few minutes. Simply, draw tool. Straight down. Making sure everything's nice and bendy. I did press the draw tool, or pen tool, it's not the draw tool, that's the, you know what I mean. Whenever I say pen tool, draw tool, I mean pen tool. That's just, you see what I mean? This is why I can't do a simple drawing, because it takes me 20 years just to do a simple hand. Okay, I actually like that hand better than my other hand, I took less time. There you go, 1. Gwneud siŵr mae'n actually edrych fel llaw a ddim fel mutant limb. Gwneud siŵr fod mae'n wedi cael ei bendio mewn tym bach and that it looks decent. I am recording, I better be recording. I am recording, good. Rwy'n mewn lle ti eisiau gwasgu y ddau, lan I fan hyn, sef efo gwyn. Rwy'n mewn lle ti eisiau, so fi eisiau un fi fan hyn. Fi eisiau hwn wedyn, just I bod wedi cael ei cuddio tym bach. So it doesn't look too obvious. Same over here. Simply gwasgu fan hyn, right? So just tu ôl y llinelli and then drag down and make sure it's slightly above, and as you can see, it's hidden quite effectively, actually. Okay, so pryd finally figure mas sut I gwneud Dwylo ti. Dyle rhywbeth edrych fel hon. Not the best thing in the world. It looks pretty primitive, to be fair, ond hwn, oh, oops, that shouldn't have happened. Hwn yn byd ni'n creu heddi. Well, byd ti wedi technically yn barod wedi creu, I guess? No. You know what I mean. Okay. Anyway, I bod yn fideo llawer mwy byr. Not 7 minutes, 4 minutes, a lot more dealable. Bydd fi gweld ti mewn yr un nesaf. O fawr.